How to access recovery mode on iPhone with or without computer. Hi guys, so in this video, I'll teach you how to access recovery mode on iPhone. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty simple, so let's go. So to access it, you just need to force restart it if you have no computer. So I have here some notes on how you can force restart your iPhone. So if you have iPhone 6 and earlier, just click the home button and the power button. If you have iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, long press the power button and volume down button. If you have iPhone 8 and later, click the volume up and then long press the volume down and power button. So that's how you can access recovery mode on iPhone without computer. So if you want to learn how to exit it with computer, head over to your Safari or any browser that you have on your computer and then search in here for Tenor Share. Then once you have searched for that, you should be able to see a software that corresponds to NorShare right here. You just need to head over and just install the NorShare on your computer and you should be able to exit or repair and recover your iOS system. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped with the extra recovery mode on iPhone. If you have questions or comments, comment them down below. I'll try my best to answer them. Thanks.